The story of the hat maker. Once upon a time, there lived a hat maker. She made beautiful hats every day. It was in the air that she had made pretty and strong hats, so lots of people came to ask her to make them beautiful hats. She established a hat company and decided to sell the wonderful hats to abroad. She began her journey to another country by a big ship after long preparations. She went through typhoon in the middle of the ocean. The ship was wrecked by rainstorm and waves. The stem of the ship had gone. The stern of the ship had gone. Finally, the mast of the ship was broken too. When she came to herself, she found that she was in the middle of the uninhabited island. She was so cold because she wore a short-sleeved shirt. She changed her clothes into a long-sleeved shirt. After that, she was so hungry. She went hunting with a pistol for the first time in her life. Just at the time, a rabbit appeared in front of her. She had never used the pistol before, so she didn't know how to use it. She pointed a gun reversely, at herself. And then bang! What happened next? There was a hole in her tummy.